In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your investment amount on eToro. If you want to add more funds to an existing investment or reduce part of your position, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by logging into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that everything has fully loaded before moving on. This helps avoid mistakes, especially when you're making changes to an active investment. Once you're signed in, open your portfolio from the left sidebar. This is where you'll see your current holdings and active positions. Take a moment to find the specific investment you want to adjust, since it's important to select the correct one before making any changes. Next, select the investment you want to adjust. This will open up more details about that position and give you access to the actions available for it. If your goal is to increase your investment, click Trade next to the position. This opens the order window for adding more funds to the same investment. In the Amount field, enter the additional amount you want to invest. Be careful to enter only the extra amount you want to add, not the total value of your current position, unless that is your intention. Before confirming anything, review the updated order details carefully. Pay close attention to the estimated costs, since these can affect the total amount being added. This is a good point to double-check the value, make sure it matches your plan, and confirm that everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Buy to add funds to your existing investment. After the order goes through, your position should reflect the updated amount. If you want to reduce your investment instead of increasing it, go back to the position details and click Close Trade. Depending on the position and the options available, you may be able to partially close the trade to reduce only part of your investment, or fully close it if you want to exit the position entirely. As always, review what you're closing before confirming, so you understand how much of the investment will remain. Finally, return to your portfolio and review your updated position. This is the best way to confirm that the changes were applied correctly and that your investment now reflects the amount you intended. Thanks for watching.